Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Moon Metaverse token. Ticker symbol is 2Moon. This token just recently got listed on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token is being listed today, July 24th at 14 hours UTC time on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search 2Moon, and then simply just buy the token. So 14 hours today, July 24th, UTC time, it gets listed on Mexc Global. Now, if you go to their Twitter, which is at BuildMoon, 35,700 Twitter followers. You can find a full link tree over there. According to their BSC scan here, they have a total supply of 100 billion tokens, 18 decimal places on this token. Their BSC scan says the full name of the token is the Moon Metaverse, and ticker symbol is 2Moon, the number 2 and then moon, all one word. So you can find their white paper at whitepaper.moon.ws if you want to find all the information. So Moon is the ultimate metaverse where you can explore, colonize, and create a thriving civilization on the moon. Developed on the Binance blockchain, Moon is an interactive game that takes you out of this world on an adventure, offering a plethora of opportunities to build businesses from communities and engage in social and political activities, all set in the captivating lunar landscape. Powered by artificial intelligence, the Moon Metaverse draws inspiration from some of the most successful open-ended and real-time strategy games in history, including SimCity, Rise of Nations, and Age of Empires, with 126,000 hex virtual land plots represented by NFTs. Players can start their own businesses, construct real estate, and engage in other activities to earn native tokens to Moon. Lunar land plots can be sold, rented, or consolidated and formed into political entities like countries, which then can forge alliances, declare war, and impose taxes on all economic activity within the borders, just like in the real world. The Moon ecosystem also comprises a vast range of in-game NFT assets, such as oxygen supplies, excavation equipment, shops, products, weapons, etc. What's more, the game offers an abundance of play-to-earn activities that can reward players with extra 2Moon tokens, including solving lunar mysteries, exploring the dark side of the moon, and uncovering conspiracy theories. Looking towards the future, Moon aims to take the game to new heights by allowing players to travel through space, starting from the moon, and even creating a potential new interplanetary metaverse. With its unique gameplay powered by artificial intelligence, a diverse range of NFTs, and an ecosystem built to increase the utility of the 2Moon token, Moon is poised to become the next major successful game in the metaverse space. So the backstory, it says here, for centuries, The moon has been a source of wonder and inspiration of civilizations worldwide, revered as a symbol of fertility, femininity, and even immortality. It's a celestial object that has been studied and explored yet remains unconquered. So they go over the history of the moon. We don't need to go over that. So Moon's gameplay is based on the principal roles. So there's going to be pioneers that set out. Then there's going to be scientists. And then there's going to be generals. And they all play different roles within the game. There's also going to be land and countries where that you could buy, sell, trade, rent your land plots among the Moon participants. Establish a thriving economic activity. They get houses, game NFTs. You could be the owner or administrator of land plots. So you could have taxes in your country. Basically anything you could almost do in the real world there. So they have Moon companies, the Moon labor market, the Moon marketplace, the Moon country structure, the Moon trading mechanics. They have game add-ons, which improve economic performance, efficiency, accelerate development of a Moon country, increase the strength of the Moon country's military. So that's where the Moon token comes in. You can use it for, getting NFTs, getting, all these different things, upgrading, stuff like that. So they have tokenomics on here as well. 100 billion tokens, it says, will be issued. It's the utility token, like I just mentioned. 6% of the token goes to seed sale, 10% private sale, 1% public sale, 17% staking and liquidity. So you could stake this token to get more tokens. 21% treasury, 23% ecosystem fund, 10% marketing and listing, and 12% team and advisors. They also have a roadmap, which is like the space map, they call it here, starting with fundraising, community building via social network platforms, international media campaign, IDO, TGE, agreements with exchanges and launch pads, Moon Hex sale, customer acquisitions, full start of large-scale marketing campaign, new interactive in-game content, token utility possibilities, social integration and its usage, play to earn, learn mechanics, integration and its expansion, expanding mechanics, metaverse implementation, and portals between metaverses. So that's their Moon map there. So check it all out, whitepaper.moon.ws. Their Twitter is poppin', 35,700 Twitter followers, and this token gets listed today on Mexc Global. So check out that Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.